How to reset Facebook password. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook application on your device. After that, you'll be able to see this interface where you have to enter your mobile number or email and password associated with your Facebook account. So in order to reset your password, you need to simply tap on forget password option, which is just below to the login option. After that, you need to choose your account of which you want to reset the password. And after that, here you can either continue, but since we are trying to reset password, you have to go for try another way option. And you have to select that you want to get code or link via email. If you are logged in another device like your desktop or anything, then you can also get code via your Facebook notification. And after that, you can go for continue. And from over here, you have to create a new password. Before that, you must know that you have to create a password with at least 6 letters and numbers. And after that, you have to tap on the text box and create a password. And if you want to log out of other device, then you can check mark over here, and after that you can go for continue option. And after a few seconds of loading, you will be able to reset your password, and also you will be able to log into your account. So by following this simple step, you can reset Facebook password. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.